Hey guys, it's me Caleb again, and welcome to another unboxing video of mine. Today, a package just came in, and today we're gonna see what it is. Ooh, and it is the wireless game controller for the Nintendo Switch. Good, because my other one broke for some reason. I don't know why. And look, there's a thing. I'm gonna pop it. That was loud. Okay, so here we go. Let's unbox this thing. The little thing right here. See it right here? Try to open it. Trying to rip. Trying to open this. Yeah. Hold on a minute. Box. There we go. There's the. There we go. Oh, look, nice foam. There we go. Got this little cool bubble wrap. Little wire thingy to charge, I guess. Little construction manual. And here we go is the controller itself. See, it moves so cool like this and all that stuff. Nice little thing to it. A little bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. There we go. And let's see what's in here. This thing. Let's open this. Just get this thing opened. What does this go? I wonder what this goes to. Oh, it's a charger for this remote. Now I get it. That's cool. Okay. Little thing right here. I'm gonna put in this box. All the trash in the box. Here. Also, this thing goes in the box. It's also the box. I'm putting the box in the box. So this goes in here like so. Like, I can plug up to the Nintendo Switch, and yeah, I'll show you. Okay, so the charger, right here, it plugs into this part. Open this part. I think I can see a little thing that I can plug into. I get this plugged in. You think? Hang on a minute. And so I got it plugged up right here. And look. Ooh, that looks so cool. See right here? Look at all this thing like lighting up like that. This was the other controller that broke. I don't see anything. I don't think I can see anything wrong with it. It's just broke. It just won't work. It's like it's all dusty. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So, yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll see y'all later. Bye.